Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful Valentine's Day card using Canva and Create eCards. Not only will we design a stunning card, but I'll also show you how to incorporate your gift. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to canva.com and sign in, or you can create a free account if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, we can start designing our card. In the search bar at the top, type in Valentine's Day card or Happy Valentine's Day. You'll see a variety of templates to choose from, so scroll through and pick a design that you love. For this tutorial, I'll select this beautiful card right here. I'm just going to click on it. You're going to go to customize this template. This will open it in the editor, and you can customize everything. Click on the existing text to edit it. So we're going to click on Happy. We're going to go up here to Font, and I'm going to go and choose Play Fair Display, but you can choose anything that you like. I'm going to click on the side of this box, and I'm going to drag that out so that my Y fits. Next, I'm going to click on Valentine's Day. I'm going to go up here to the font. And I'm going to choose ISOM script. I'm just going to double click in front of the D, and I'm going to backspace. While I'm clicked on that, I'm going to go ahead and go up here to the top menu and increase the font size by clicking the plus sign. I'm just going to click on it and move it. I'm also going to click on Happy. Here I'm going to click on the first picture, and I'm going to delete that. I'm also going to delete the frame. And we're left with one picture. I think this looks better. You can upload your own photographs by going over here to the left sidebar to uploads. You're going to click on upload files. You'll just simply choose whichever photo you'd like to use and open it. It's going to pop up down here. And you're just going to click on it and simply drag it over the picture that is on there already. And you're going to drop it or click off of it, and it's going to add it into the frame. So once we have that done, we can go down here to the plus sign at the bottom of the page, and we're going to add a page. While we're clicked on that, we're going to go up here to background color. And we're going to choose a color. I'm just going to choose this one. We're going to go over here to elements on the left sidebar. And we're going to type in Valentine's background. We're going to go to photos, or you can go to graphics. And you can scroll through and find anything that you like. I'm just going to pick this one. You're going to click on the circle in the corner, and you're going to drag it out. This is going to resize it. I'm going to click on it and move it over a little bit. I'm going to drag out the corner. I'm going to drag out the side. I'm going to move it over a little bit again. I'm going to drag out the side. I'm going to move it down here. While I'm clicked on that, I'm going to click on background remover. So I'm left with just the roses and the gift. I'm going to go over here to text on the left sidebar. I'm going to go to add a heading. And you can write any heartfelt message in here that you would like. I'm just going to put something and I'm going to scale that down to resize it. And I'm going to click on it and I'm going to move it. And we're just going to adjust the picture. We're going to go back and we're just going to review everything and make sure everything looks okay and balanced. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save it. So we're going to go up here to share at the top right corner. You would click on see all and you would scroll down until you found create cards. But I've already used it, so it's right here, so I'm just going to click on it. We're going to make sure that both pages are selected. We're going to click done and save. If you wanted to continue editing, you could go back to continue editing and just do that over again. But we're going to go to view and create eCards. So we're going to click on that. It's going to ask you to create a free account. I've already did that. You can go through and create your account. It is simple and easy to do. We're going to go down here at the bottom of the page and we're going to click on edit your eCard. It's going to ask you to give your eCard a name. We're just going to put Happy Valentine's Day, my love, and save design. It's going to ask you what type of eCard you're creating. We are creating a greeting card, so we're going to click on that. You're going to click on yes, create greeting card. You can customize the button text. We're going to leave surprise. You can also click on this and add a greeting message here if you would like. We're not going to do that. It's going to ask you if you want to send a gift. You can click on I'm sending a gift if you would. Just click on the Amazon link and you can purchase a gift and send it directly to them. We're going to scroll down. You can add a message here. We're going to leave your gift is on the way, but you can put whatever you would like to there. You can choose an icon to represent the gift that you're going to give. So you can click on a present. You can click on flowers if you were going to send the person flowers. You can click on dinner if you were going to take them out to dinner, or gift card, chocolates, or gaming. We're going to click on flowers. You can also upload an image of the gift that you're sending here. You can add the tracking information here. We're going to go to the bottom and click next. It's going to ask you to choose a design theme. We're going to leave original. We're going to go here to banner text and we're going to change that to Happy Valentine's Day, my love. You can go here and change the theme, shadow, text, and wallpaper colors. Just click on it and pick which color you would like and select. We're going to leave everything the way it is. So you just scroll down. You could add a logo. You can go down here to edit wallpaper and replace it with the background. You can upload an image you would like here, or you can go to Pexels and click on that. In the search bar, type in Valentine's wallpaper. And select enter. Or you can put in roses or whatever you'd like. We're going to choose these pretty red roses. We're going to go down here to next, down at the bottom. You're going to need to edit your URL. We're just going to put Valentine and save it. You can edit the web page title also, but we're going to leave Happy Valentine's Day, my love. We're going to go to publish. We're going to scroll down. You can copy and share the link here. You can send it to your email, or you can send it to a phone. We're going to click on send to phone. A QR code is going to pop up. You're going to take your iPhone and you're going to open your camera. It's going to scan it, and a link is going to pop up for you to click on. You'll click on that link. You will go through the steps to send it as a virtual e-card that you can then text to the person. When they receive their link, when they click on it, the banner will show. It'll say Happy Valentine's Day, my love. It'll tell them to tap to flip the card. We can go right here on these arrows to preview what the card will look like. So you're just going to click on it once. And that's what the front and the back will look like. We're going to exit out of that. It's going to have a surprise button. Once you click on that, it's going to tell them that they've got a gift on the way. So there you have it. A beautiful personalized Valentine's Day card with a special gift component. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own card. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations. Happy Valentine's Day.